Sorry, it's very chaotic in here, but it is actually organised and it's all on a big inventory. So I've just reclaimed all of this from skips and building sites and
you use those
businesses
for building the...
All of this timber in here is going to be used to build the first floor of the house.
Wow.
So it's all around there, and there's more down the hallway. What I point out to the project all the time, which they're not aware of, is, you know, what are the genuine things that just exist that are going to waste, you know, and they're not glamorous.
No.
You know, and they're not sexy and they're not beautiful, but there's just loads of it.
Is it very expensive to, like, recycle them? I mean, you have the material, which is for free, but how expensive
But now,
yeah.
So now we have apprentices over at the City College. So they have huge workshops and they're apprentices learning. So it's to try and create a model to show people what they could do with this stuff that they're throwing out. It's kind of different from a lot of sustainable housing and eco-housing because they go for organic and very clean and very natural.
They're very expensive.
And very expensive. But the reality is that there aren't natural, non-toxic, lovely things lying around going to waste. There's toxic things lying around going to waste. Yeah. How are we going to use those? Because if we don't use them somehow, they get burnt, and then there's toxins in the nanoparticles and in the ash, or they get buried, and then there's methane gas. So that's why we're not building an organic house, because we're trying to find a way of using all this horrible stuff
and sealing
in the horribleness.